There are so many Ugreen devices I tried, like for example, a stereo to RCA adapter, a sound card, a USB-C extension, a 3.5mm to USB-A adapter, Bluetooth transmitters, and another audio adapter. But today we're going to talk about this one. Hello everyone, my name is Roland Uy, and welcome back for another video. Actually, I purchased this already 3 months ago, and I just thought of making a video about it. As you may all know already, this is one of the latest devices from Ugreen. If you are planning to purchase it also and try, I have included the link down in the description and will also help in supporting my channel. Thanks everyone! I'm not an expert, but I just wanted to show you at least if it works with the PS5, especially for this Ugreen being a capture card. Because most of us already know that Ugreen Brand is very popular now for many electronic products like those I mentioned earlier. Anyway, this is the box. I just took it out once again since I made a short video for its unboxing already, and if you still want to see that unboxing video, you can find it on top of the screen and on the description. So this is the Ugreen video capture card. Take note that this is the type of video capture card that has a single HDMI connection port only. And on the other side, it is basically a USB-C with a USB-A adapter. Before we move forward, I would like to mention that this can also be set up with a monitor so you can play while recording. Meaning, and to make it simple, from your source, it will be connected to your computer and to your monitor simultaneously. It's by using another Ugreen product, which is an HDMI splitter. Please let me know if you would like to see it as well, and I will do my best to make a separate video. So let's go ahead and set this up. Just take out your HDMI cable, connect one end to the PS5 and the other end to the Ugreen capture card. Then plug the USB of the capture card into your laptop. You can use USB-C or A on this capture card since it has both. Make sure you have downloaded the OBS Studio software. You can also find the link on the description. You have nothing to worry about when downloading. It is simple and easy. Now, one important thing to remember is that you need to turn the Enable HDCP off on the PS5 HDMI settings first, as you can see right here. And it's also worth mentioning that capture cards have system requirements as well when it comes to your computer. Let's say for example, if my laptop does not meet these specs, there are some options which cannot be enabled on the capture card. It will still work, but only limited by the specs of your computer only. So this is the OBS Studio. What you want to do is click the plus sign right here at the bottom of the sources option. Then click on the video capture device. Then you can rename it as per your liking. Then click OK. Another window will pop up, and the first option you will see is the device. Click on the drop-down menu and then select USB video. As you may have noticed, the name Ugreen was not detected by my laptop. I'm not sure so far what will be the reason. I will let you know once I get the information, and I will update on the description. Once you have done that, you need to see the PS5 menu already. Now let's try to record a video clip from the PS5. Just click on the start recording here as well as the stop recording. And if you want to hear the sound from the PS5 to your computer, just go to the settings and select wave out. I'm not sure about the difference between the three, but this one works for me. And if you want to include the sound while recording, just go to the settings, then select audio, then select default. And one more thing, you might want to ask where the clip goes. All you have to do is go to the file on top, click it, and select show recording. In my case, it goes to the drive C under the video folder. I can say that this video capture device is good, especially for the price, and I cannot say anything against it so far. Well, I hope you liked this video and at least found it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Take care.